Is glycolic acid the magic for a flawless skin, or is it overhyped? Welcome to you all. I'm Dr. Geeta Grewal. I'm a cosmetic surgeon and founder of 9M Clinics and 9M Skincare. And my job is to make you look beautiful, pretty, elegant, and smart. Let's talk about glycolic acid today. What is glycolic acid? Glycolic acid is an alpha hydroxy acid. It's a mild acid which everybody can use as long as you understand the molecule and you know how to use it. But it is a little tough to understand initially, but once you understand, you'll be a pro at it. So let me explain what the molecule is and what it does. Glycolic acid, as I told you, it's an alpha hydroxy acid. It is extracted from fruits and certain bacteria depending on the molecule that is sourced by different agencies, different pharma companies. And this molecule decreases the pH of the skin. It takes the pH of the skin to 3 from 5.5 if your skin is normal. If the skin is already at an abnormal pH, it will further decrease the pH. And that's the reason why it causes a little tingling and burning when you first apply it. It exfoliates the skin, so it removes the dead cell. It is anti-inflammatory, it decreases the inflammation in the skin, and it is antioxidant. With all these three qualities, what as a doctor I understand is that it is anti-aging molecule, and it is a very powerful anti-aging molecule. So you must have glycolic acid cream or serum in your anti-aging regime above 25 years of age. When I first time used glycolic acid, I was mighty impressed by the molecule just because it got me a very smooth, glossy, glowing skin with just single application. But there's a catch. You need to understand your skin type very properly before you start using glycolic acid. If your skin is dry, the same molecule can go very deep and give you a burn. If your skin is oily, the oil will neutralize it and you will not get any result. So you need to get your skin optimum to reap the benefits of glycolic acid. So with these three properties combined, that is keratolytic, removing the dead cells, anti-inflammatory, decreasing the inflammation in the skin, boosting collagen, and antioxidant, that is decreasing the free radical injury in the skin. So it helps in smoothing your skin, decreasing your fine line wrinkle, boosting your collagen, boosting hyaluronic acid, and boosting elastin in the skin. So making your skin plump, clean, glossy, smooth, decreasing the dark spots. In total, it is a great anti-aging for your skin by removing all the aging issues that come on your skin. Also, it shrinks the open pores. So all these dull skin, uneven skin tone, bad texture, whatever you're struggling as you're aging, the glycolic acid molecule will help in giving you the result. How should you use glycolic acid? As I told you, it's a very powerful molecule and it is extremely beneficial for your skin. So don't be scared. Just make sure that if you're a dry skin type, you hydrate your skin and then apply glycolic acid serum or cream. And if you're an oily skin type, you wash your face, pat dry, remove that excess oil, and then apply your glycolic acid serum or cream so that you get the best output. Start using it at bedtime to begin with. Of course, when you become a pro at it, you can use it at the daytime. Once you start using at nighttime, use small amount. Use a less percentage, start with 5 to 7% glycolic acid and then you can go up to 15-20% as well. Start with less percentage, lesser amount and infrequent, that is use once in a week to begin with, then make it thrice in a week and then you can come to a daily use. Make sure you use your moisturizer and SPF during daytime because it does cause little sensitivity to the sun and you can get a bad impact on your skin or excess tanning or pigmentation can go bad if you're not using the precaution of using a moisturizer and a sunscreen once you are on glycolic acid serums and creams. Who should use glycolic acid serum? It's a versatile molecule. Anybody, all skin type, dry, combination, pigmentation, acne prone, sensitive, everybody can use it as long as you know how to prepare your skin for glycolic acid. In my previous answers, I have explained to you how to prepare your skin before starting a glycolic acid molecule. Certain myths around glycolic acid, that it thins down your skin, absolutely wrong. It rather plumps your skin. So glycolic acid is safe and all of you can use it very safely, but make sure you hydrate before and after the cream is applied. The potential side effects that I see with few patients, they get irritation, they get redness, they get itchy, and they get, certain areas become more sensitive on the face. So you must hydrate your face. That is the key. If your moisturizer is not helping, then change your moisturizer, because many times I have seen you've taken a moisturizer by recommendation of your friend and it's not your skin type moisturizer. So change your moisturizer if glycolic acid is not setting well with your skin, is causing irritation and redness. So you need to have a good moisturizer and a good soothing cream, maybe a mometasone or Fusibet, something like that, to soothe your skin, and then apply your glycolic acid. Go slow. Slowly increase the percentage and increase the frequency, and that's the key to have lesser side effects and a good glowing skin. So my final verdict is all thumbs up for this product, and glycolic acid is amazing, amazing product. Just use it with all the precautions that I have told you, and share your journey of glycolic acid with us, and we'll be happy to help you further.